guys, I'm back with another mani. So Madam Glam sent me 4 polishes to feature on my channel. They allowed me to pick out 4, but they only sent 2 of the 4 that I picked out and sent me 2 others. And that's this builder gel. I did not pick that out. This was sent to me. And so this is what I have on my right hand. I did do an infill and I applied the lavender builder gel, which is really light. The next color I did pick out was Candyland, which is a nice mint green, and I'm just showing you the swatch stick. And then the next color, this is another one that they sent to me. Again, I did not pick this particular color out, but there's nothing wrong with it. This one is Daydream, which is a nice shimmer pink. It has like gold shimmer in it, or gold flecks. Really nice neutral spring like color. And the next color is an actual no wipe top coat. It's a Confetti no wipe top coat, and it is, I think it's called Funfetti. And I did end up putting this on a swatch stick on top of the mint green color, just so you could see what that looks like. And so thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these products. And so guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this gel polish application. So I do have on 1 coat of UNT Peel Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel and allow that to thoroughly dry. I have on my UV glove, and I applied Madam Glam's base coat and cure for 30 seconds. And their polishes are 21 free, HEMA free, cruelty free, palm oil free, and HEMA free. And so I'm going to go in and apply 2 coats of Candyland, and I'm going to cure in between each coat for 30 seconds in my UV LED lamp. And I'm not showing all nails on camera, of course. So hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. Notice with this particular color, it goes on the nails streaky. However, once I finish polishing or applying the polish to my nail, it kind of self levels out. And then of course, when you're doing your gel polish application, you want to try to avoid getting it on your skin, but if you do, you want to use a nail brush and alcohol to clean up any excess gel polish. You can see it kind of soaked into itself, and it appears less streaky before curing. And so I go in and apply that first coat. I then apply a second coat. And so with Madam Glam, I do have a 30% discount code that I will have in the description box below. They do have a VIP program, which is $29 a month, and it allows you to purchase the polishes for a discounted rate. If you choose not to buy polishes every month, you can use your credits. You can let your credits build up, and you can do a purchase. And so it's $29 a month, and then you get, so you pay $29 a month, and essentially you get a $29 credit. So you could look at it as it's like a savings for gel polish. Or if you don't want to do that, you want to make a one-time purchase, I do have the discount code, and when you check out, you can use or select the pay-as-you-go option. And so these are the nails after curing the second coat for 30 seconds. And so I'm going in with Funfetti, which again, this is a Confetti no wipe top coat. And these top coats, to me, again, I'm a DIYer, can be a little tricky because you're not going to get, without oversaturating the nail with polish, you're not going to get good coverage on the first coat. So I end up applying 2 coats of Funfetti and curing for 30 seconds in between each coat. And you can see I'm not getting a lot, but I like the fact that it had kind of like these iridescent or holographic hexagonal glitter pieces in there. It was really pretty, and I think it went well over this color, or it looked good over this color. And so, as I mentioned off camera, I applied the second coat, and these are the nails with the second coat. You can see I have much more of the confetti pieces on the nail. That was really simple and pretty. And so, off camera, I added an iridescent teddy bear and iridescent rhinestones to my ring finger. And then I'm going to apply Madam Glam's cuticle oil, Elixir, really nice cuticle oil. And so, guys, if you found value, please like this video. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023. And so I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.